There are 1.2 million species in the world. Every animal have its own unique ability. Being most gentle and calm. Other with too much cuteness and friendly nature. The other who could reach to the heights that becomes impossible for others. The one who is smart and looks beautiful than others. To the creatures who are faster than your imagination. But here, in Curious Diaries, we are going to count down 10 most intelligent animals in the world. Have raccoon. They are generally thought of as a mischievous, somewhat irritating neighborhood pest. Raccoons' problem-solving skills and cleverness in sourcing food are well known, and they were frequently used in lab research in the early 20th century. Because of their curiosity and intelligence. The interesting fact about raccoons is they have IQ that rank above cats and just below monkeys on the mammal IQ scale. On number 9, we have octopus. These cephalopod may lack a backbone, but they have 3 hearts, which pump their copper-based blood throughout their body, and has the largest brain of any invertebrate. They can transform the color of their skin in the blink of an eye. They have highly sensitive suction cups and prehensile arms that allow them to hold and manipulate objects like coconut and shells, by which they are spotted making tools. Number 8 is gray parrots. They're among the most intelligent bird species. These impressive birds have the mental and emotional capacities of a 5-year-old human child. Besides being able to learn an incredible amount of human words, they can learn to use them in context to communicate with their owners. These birds solve puzzles and also understand the concept of cause and effect. On number 7 comes squirrels. Memory and abstract are thought to be 2 hallmarks of intelligence that squirrels have proven that they are capable of. They can be quick, clever, and brazenly fearless, especially when gathering food and storing it for future use. According to a Princeton University study, gray squirrels are capable of remembering where thousands of nuts are buried for months at a time. Number 6 goes to crows and ravens. They are exceptionally intelligent birds and are able to make complex decisions. Crows understand water displacement very well. In one experiment, crow filled the tubes with enough rocks or other heavy items to bring the food within reach. They have been recorded to use their wit to steal prey from much larger predators. They differentiate one human from another by their faces, remembering them for 3 years. Crows were able to identify individuals that they consider to be a threat. On 5, we have rats. These creatures have earned a bad reputation, but they are highly intelligent creatures. Rats are naturally curious, have a strong memory, and are excellent learners. Rats are very social animals, often using high-frequency sounds that humans cannot hear to communicate with each other. Once rats learn a navigation route, they never forget it. On 4th, there comes honeybees. They are incredible smart creatures. They have an ability to learn many new things very quickly. Compared to other insects, they have a much greater ability to learn, distinguish, identify, and remember different landscapes, types of flowers, shapes, and patterns. Bees can remember route details up to 6 miles over several days. They can conceptualize the map, determine shortest distance between 2 points, and take shorter route to reach. They can also navigate at night. They have ability to count and an understanding of time. They communicate by using body language and dance to convey the distance, direction, and quality of nectar. Researchers report, bees can recognize faces, and they even do it the same way we do. On third, there are elephants, the largest land animals on the planet. They are among the most exuberantly expressive of creatures. They show joy, anger, grief, compassion, love. Having the finest emotions reside within these hulking masses. The size of the elephant brain is 4 times the size of human brain, which makes it the largest brain of any land animal. These creatures have demonstrated their impressive mental capabilities time and time again. They can use tools, understand humans' body languages, show empathy, they mourn on their dead. They mimic human voices, and have extraordinary memories. On second, there come dolphins. They are very intelligent. They are notoriously talented mimics, and quick learners, can then pass their new knowledge on to others. And this way, they pass information between generations. Dolphins are capable of complex problem solving and social interaction. These species can be trained to perform complex tasks, such as hunting mines in the ocean, and even recognize symbols. A group of dolphins near Australia has learned to wear sponges on their beaks to protect them while fishing. Dolphin brains typically weigh about 1,600 grams. This makes dolphins second only to humans in brain-to-body weight ratio. Dolphins can even acknowledge their reflection in the mirror. This demonstrates self-awareness. They live in family groups, form strong bonds, communicate, and even likely give each other unique names. On the top, there comes chimpanzee. These chimps and humans are closely related, having 99% of similar coding DNA sequences, with less than 1% difference in blood and brain composition. New research reveals chimpanzees don't just get smarter by imitating other chimpanzees, but like humans, inherit a significant amount of their intelligence from their parents. They communicate with complex vocalizations, like in wild. They use louder calls and gestures for long-distance communication, such as drumming on tree buttresses. For short-distance communication, they use quieter calls and facial expressions. They use different type of tools to do things like fish for termites and ants, with probes made of grass stalks, branches, peeled bark, and midribs of leaves. They crack hard nuts to open by using stones, roots, and wood as hammers. Young chimpanzees can become very attached to their human trainers, and their expressions of feeling resemble those of humans more closely than any other animal.